Hi guys, we apologize for our delay in publishing. It was due to health problems. But today, we went deep into the mountains of Punjab to respond to the proposal of a friend of my father in London from India. Our dish today is called tandoori chicken, which is very famous in India and Pakistan where it's originated, also in the United States and the United Kingdom. To prepare this meal in its authenticity, you obviously need a tandoor, but we could also use it in an oven or as a barbecue. For those who like to enjoy these kinds of dishes outside, stay until the end of this video to witness a successful tandoori chicken. Let's go to the ingredients and the preparation of the two marinades. Before the first marinade, we make some deep cuts into the chicken pieces. We squeeze lemon on it. We put paprika, turmeric powder, salt, garlic. Mix it well. We cover our chicken a quarter of hour while waiting for the preparation of the second marinade. For the second marinade, we squeeze lemon on it. We add mustard. Then we add all the spices mentioned as ingredients. We put yogurt without sugar. We mix it well, making sure that the marinade is wrapped inside the slits made earlier. We add oil. Let the whole rest at least 1 hour, but normally it's better to let it rest for a whole night. Then we will prepare our campfire. We baste our chicken with butter.